Hi and welcome back to Sadie's Spincraft. If you're a new viewer, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, all the usual stuff. We're going a bit wrong way around because I'm using my front camera. So, subscribe, notification bell. I think that's right. I don't have a clue. Anyway. So I got showered. We've got an unboxing to do. This was got from me, but I don't want on saying about it. So yeah, I'm all excited. I do believe it's W.o.W. So again, I hope to God this car don't come back. Now, I didn't think they could pack so well. Look at that. So, what have we here? We've got Peacock, 100 grams. I don't know if I dare take it out. Basically just shiny blue. Can you see that? Is that light it where? Oh, you can see it. Yeah, two different types of blue. I'm not going to get that one out. Yeah, I can. What am I talking about? Yeah, I am. And that is merino and trilobal or whatever. And I do, yeah, merino and trilobal. I call it trilobal. I don't flipping know. It's so weird. It's just a word I can't say. It don't matter if someone says it to me, I still can't say it. I just can't. Anyway, back to the squishes. This one's called Bubblegum Surprise. This is 100%. 100%? Yeah, 100%. Merino. Look at that. That is so exciting. I love it. And I'm just gonna, I think I might have to car spin this to catch all them beautiful colours. We'll see. I've got other things to try yet as well. Knowing me, I'll go straight for my usual and spin it normal and ply it as a chain ply. The usual. Ooh. This one's called Neon. Ooh. Now, defo car spin. Defo. Sorry, I'm still in my work clothes. I forgot to announce that. Why do I need to announce it? But yeah. I feel like I need to. No, don't open it, Sadie. Don't open it. Don't open it. Look at it. It's amazing. Panning for gold. Now, this one looks like merino and viscose. They're the bits of viscose, which is basically bits of wool, I think. Could even, it's something they add into it that makes it tweedish. Tweedish. It's a word, is that? Tweedish. If not, it is now Swedish. A Swedish kind of yarn. Brilliant. Well, in this, I've got 18.5 micron merino, brown alpaca, camel, and mulberry silk. Is that not a dream? Is that not a dream? Oh, that's better than a dream. Oh, wow. Oh, that is natural colours as well. No, oh. That's just going to be normal yarn, so I can just snuggle up to it. Oh, that's amazing. Look, so pretty. You see the silk shining, shiny. Oh, that is soft as soft can be. Right, and then we've got 5 tubs of joy. And these have got red lids. Oh, I'm losing my fibre. Oh. Look at a pink one. Now that is bright. I like that. I'm not going to get it out. I do think there's a bit of white in there. I love these tubs. I use them for all sorts. Come on. Get back on. That's one. Ooh. I think that's some more, or something similar. It's a pot of gold. We're panning for more gold. Oh, that means I can have a bigger skein. Oh no, it's not a panning for gold. It looks similar. I think that's just on fire. That could be fire. Put them down there. Ooh, I think I've had this one before. I have. I've had this one before and I loved it once it was spun up. And it were only a mini as well, because I got it out of a pot of joy. Yes, you can have a milkshake. And then we've got, oh, look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, I love it. I do believe it's got a bit of either bamboo. I can't tell at this point. It's a bit dark. I think that's bamboo, it's definitely not silk. I'll go with bamboo, but it could just be 100% merino. And I'm just, because it's a little bit, I'm just looking at it. Get on. God, I feel sorry for the person that has to pack them. Ooh. Some more fire. I like that. It's a pretty one, isn't it? I've got fire in a pot. Yes, I have. I like it a lot. Fire in a pot. Hunter thought I meant proper fire. No. No, I'm not a fire bug. So, that was exciting. I don't know what I'm going to spin first. Probably neon. Because that has to be coarse spun, and I really want to coarse spin again, and I'm already doing a super fine one, which is Ile de France and Firestar and bamboo. Really nice, but taking super long, even for only 54 grams, and that is because super fine. I don't think I've ever spun this fine, this consistent, ever. I'm well impressed with myself, but it's taken a while. We're getting firsts quite a bit recently. Anyway, stop the babbling, Sadie. I shall see you all either Friday, Saturday or Sunday, or all three. Depends what mood I'm in. So no matter where you are in the world, whether it's morning, afternoon, evening or night time, I want you to do what you love doing. I've done that bit. Love and hugs to all you fantastic people out there, and just enjoy life. I'm trying. And brain fog helps because you don't remember half of stuff. It's well good. Anyway, I'm Oskies. I love you all. Bye.
High school.
He's going to high school.